As a business owner myself, I really enjoy learning from other business owners, seeing what they're experimenting with, what they're trying, what's working. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you what I'm trying in 2019 to grow my YouTube channel. My name's Jess, and if you're new here, I create weekly videos for business owners like you to help you save time and look good online, which is why today I am sharing what I'm trying in YouTube this year, so hopefully it can help you grow your own channel. So one of the biggest changes that I have started making, which you may have already noticed if you've watched the last few videos on my channel, is that I'm starting to incorporate more of my own personal life in these videos. And not that they're going to be like personal vlogs and not business content at all, but just little bits and pieces here so you guys can get to know me a little bit more, which also means that you'll start to see Morgan a little bit more, who is currently napping. He's not the most productive office assistant, you know? I decided I wanted to do this because I realized it's something I like when watching other people online, and just some shifts I've seen in online marketing itself, that it needs to be more personal and not so boring. The second thing I'm trying is more end screens. So end screens are something you can add to each individual YouTube video, and honestly I should be doing a lot better about adding these to my videos. I have done them on occasion, but it's not something I do consistently with every single video. But again, if you've watched the last few videos on my channel, at the very end of the video, instead of just saying like thanks for watching, subscribe, that kind of thing, I also have been pointing people to related videos, because if you watched one video and it was helpful, you might actually be interested in more of those types of videos. You just may not know that they exist if you're a first-time viewer. So I'm really trying to be more intentional about ending my videos that way. The third thing I have changed this year, and I changed it actually at the beginning of the year, is changing my thumbnails. So I do think it's important to have consistent thumbnails, and I think it's important that those thumbnails also match your brand, online brand, because I am more than just a YouTuber. I have an online business, I have a lot of social media profiles, and I want all of that to be cohesive and branded. So it's not a drastic change, but I have really simplified my thumbnails, and I do think it has helped with engaging more people and getting more clicks. And lastly, the other thing I'm trying is I'm not blogging. So I started blogging in 2013. I blogged for the last 5 years, very consistently, but I decided that in 2019 I'm not going to blog. I'm just going to focus on creating videos and podcasts. And it's not because I think blogging is dead, but I just really like creating video and podcast content more than blogging. And there's really kind of two benefits to not blogging for me personally. One is saves me time, but also, you know, because I promote my content on social media, on my email list, that kind of thing, I'm having less calls to action. So rather than having an Instagram post every week for, hey, here's my podcast, here's my video, here's my blog, and to my email list as well, I'm only promoting my videos and my podcast to social media and my email list. And while I'm talking about social media, just a quick little note, I use SmarterQ to promote my content consistently on Facebook and Twitter. So I'll put a link down below if you want to check that out. It's what I use. It saves me a ton of time, so it might interest you as well. So that's what I'm doing with my channel this year. I'd love to hear what you're doing with yours. If you're going to be starting a YouTube channel, I have a lot of beginner YouTube videos right over here for you. Be sure and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.